All right, so today I bring you an IP67 in-outdoor camera. Now this one is 100% wireless because it's Wi-Fi and runs some battery, and the battery lasts about 3 months. Right, it has a nice vision, also has a light, an alarm, and two-way audio. In this video today, you're gonna learn the full setup. Let's begin now. How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario from mediaboxentlab, and today we're going to learn all about this camera and what includes in the box. But first, I need you to become part of MEDIABOXENT by simple subscribing to the channel right over there and become part of MEDIABOXENT. What we bring all the time: security cameras, robotic, and great tech. Now, let's go into the camera. So first, so what we get right out of the box, and I want to show you this. I'm going to put this. I took out of the box so we save a little time. We go this way first. So we have the cable, micro USB, Type A. Even have the hardware, even the pin to reset the camera. I show you it has been done, and everything off for mounts. There's two ways to mount this camera. It has a strong magnet, so we can set the camera this way, and it's easy for you to remove it when you need to charge. Well, another thing, what we can do, we can use this little thing here and screw it in, put it right in the wall, and you're done. All right, so this is about mounting, and it has all the hardware and everything else. My next step, you need the app. All right, what I'm going to do, by the way, in case people have that question, what kind of app you using, I will leave the link right below this video for the app as well too. Okay, so what we have, that seems to have always a question people ask about the app, so I will leave you the link just in case you need the app. All right, so what you need to do is scan here iOS devices, or be for your iPhones or Android. All right, that's the first thing you need to do. You need to create a username and account, and that's it. All right, so that's it for that. Let's look at the camera. All right, so we have the LED lights, lens. This one is just the LED indicator when it's on and off. We have a sensor here for the lighting, and here we have the infrared. Right, and the bottom, charge the camera, power it on, a speaker. All right, and then here is to open the camera. I show you it has a strong magnet. So let me show you all the things we get. All right, so now the first thing we need to do is insert the memory. I do recommend 128 gigabytes. That's how much it supports. So you open the side right here. Okay, you open there, and we can insert the memory. Now, you see this part? Goes that way, okay, not the other way around. So insert the memory right there, push it down, and that's it. If you need to reset the camera, includes the little pin. Just press here for a few seconds when it's on, and you can reset in case you want to mount this to another network. Right, that's the only thing up to now. All right, we close the camera and we are ready to turn it on. We're gonna press here, blue light. We got the first beep. Now let's go to pair mode. At this point, we got the app running. Okay, so we got the app running already, so we can add the camera. Pretty simple. Click here the plus, hit the new camera. Sure, it's already on. Tell you to turn it on. I hear the sound and the light is blinking. We're gonna click next. It's gonna search for the camera. I do hear that. Next. Now you need to set your own network. Remember, the camera started at 2.4 gigahertz. So here I've already taken my network, or I preset it already, and that's my password. And I'll click next, confirm that. And now I'm gonna go this way about 5 inches. Done. Do not touch anything. Let's wait. All right, so it's detecting. At this point, we're gonna click next. Now we can change the name if we want and set the location. I'm gonna leave the front door, and we're done. Okay, that's it. It's already connected. Now if you look around the top, it gives you the battery level. Now let's click play. Put the camera this way. Okay, and we got it. Nice resolution. Let's open a full screen right here, and we can see we have a nice full resolution, and it runs HD. Perfect to use indoor, outdoor. Let's go back. Let me show you some of the tricks here. All right, here we can turn the light on. Okay, we can turn the alarm on. It has an alarm. Now remember, the alarm, if you activate it through the app, every time somebody passes by, you're gonna hear this, or they're gonna hear this. Very loud. And sound is off. I turn this on. I will be wherever to hear whatever the camera is sending to me, and I can talk to the camera. I can go and play any video that's been recorded, 10-second videos. They send me right into my phone, all right, with sound and everything else. We can see right there, all right, and say the time and day. Sure, we can like get into the camera and review the video. This is what is right on my phone. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go to a little wheel. Then go right away. Few the things here. If we click on the first things, front door, we can change it. We see the battery level, my network, time zone, and more information. Give you IP address and MAC address for the camera. Gonna go back. All right, motion detector. Few things here. All right. So right now it's set to high. I'm gonna leave it low because this thing is gonna. Well, actually, I'm gonna turn it off. So at this point, you can set high, medium, low. You need to test that, and it depends how you want it. Now at the intervals here, shooting interval, if you turn this on, what happens is 10 seconds, or you can change it. So if the camera detects something, it's going to wait another 10 seconds before it sends you another notification. So in reality, you can use safe battery if you want to turn it on. Durations 10 seconds, resolution SD, we can change it to HD. I'm going to turn it off now because if not, I'm going to get message all the time. All right, at that point. Now, notification settings, by the way, is on, so it means you get it right on your phone. Then the other notification and push, and the camera detects between a person and a pen in a car. That's extra, so you need to pay for cloud service. I will say you don't have to, you don't need it, but if you want, you can activate that. Camera works perfect without that. In zone activation 2, if you want to activate only one part of the camera, that's just an extra service. All right, so you need to pay extra for that. Camera works perfect without that. Now, the sleep mode settings, in a way, is turning the camera off. So if I press here, the camera is going to go off for whatever time I want. Or I can check the schedule and I can make the camera turn off from 6 o'clock, or from say 10 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Camera was not going to send any signal. I'm not going to be able to log into the camera. It's like turn it off for that time. You can do that if you want. All right, and then the SD card. And we can format, by the way, when you set the memory, it will detect it and you will get a message saying it needs to be formatted. So we can do that. And we can see, I can move here and see live video, whatever the camera was recording every time and somebody passed by, we can see that. All right, and right here, and we can format the card. In this one's case, is 64 gigabytes. And again, it will tell you that. Light settings, we can and turn on the indicator light on and off if you want that. We can activate the flash, so when somebody passes by, this thing is going to flash, so it's an alert. All right, we can do that if you want to leave it on. We can activate the night vision, or we can activate the color mode. All right, if you activate the color mode, it's kind of cool. It will turn on the light, but always you need a little more light. So if the place is too dark, I would recommend to leave it on infrared, so it will be black and white. And you can set the lighting level. You see that? We get that message. Let me turn it off. And you can activate the alarm, by the way, too. When not only you get that, you get the alarm as well too. We can change the light settings, audio settings, and then the advanced mode. In this case, we can change the active blinking mode. So if you are in the United States, you're going to set it to 60 hertz. If you are in any other country, it runs to 20, you set it to 50 hertz. And then we can, installation settings, we can rotate the camera, right? We can rotate or flip, and then flip the video if you want that. You see the camera is super easy to set up, right? I just went over. I will leave you a few things. So below this video, I'm going to leave you the name of the app and the link to the store. So if you need to download it, it's just right there. Another thing I'm going to do it, you need to buy this camera. It's pretty cool. I will leave you the link too, so you can grab it from our link on this video. And that's it. Now my question is, you got one of these cameras right now, you're going to use inside the house or outside? Inside, I think it looks great because there is no cable. around, right? You just plug it in any corner and you need to forget about it. I think that's great. All right, guys, leave me a comment and I'll see you next time. Bye.